What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. The inevitable happened about 2 days ago on Wednesday coming home from work, and I was actually lucky because it happened a block away from my house. The regen cable on my left-hand brake broke off because it's a piece of shitty plastic, and my bike just completely died. It wouldn't throttle up, it wouldn't work. I couldn't use it for the past 2 days. I had to use my booster board to go to work. But luckily, I have a friend who talked to an ex-employee at Onyx, and they actually had the part that I needed, and it's also metal this time. So I don't think it's breaking off anytime soon. I'm gonna wait to go pick up the part today, but still, the Onyx really wasn't rideable unless I took off the regen and messed with the brakes. I didn't want to do that, so I got the part, and the bike is completely fixed. But I'll show you guys kind of the dumb fuckery of what to expect and how to fix that, and how I went about it. Used a fucking little hex wrench to get this broken piece out of that fucking hole. For 2 days since Wednesday evening, I could not use my bike. This cable right here finally broke off, and then this little son of a bitch right here broke off right inside the handlebar. So, repair it, put it back on, wrapped it up, put the sleeve back on. Now my regen's back, my bike is working.